Ever wondered how much Paysafe employees actually make? Well, today, we're diving deep into the Paysafe salary structure. From entry-level to executive positions, we'll break down the average salaries, bonuses, and other perks you can expect. Paysafe overview. Before we get into the numbers, let's quickly recap what Paysafe does. As a leading global payments platform, Paysafe offers a wide range of payment solutions, including e-wallets, card processing, and online gaming payments. Importance of salary information. Knowing the salary range at Paysafe is crucial for anyone considering a career there. It helps you assess whether the compensation aligns with your expectations and career goals. Salary breakdown. Entry-level positions. Let's start with entry-level roles. These typically include positions like customer support representatives, junior analysts, and software developers. The average salary for entry-level positions at Paysafe can range from X to Y per year. This figure may vary depending on your location, experience, and specific role. Mid-level positions. Moving on to mid-level positions, you'll find roles such as account managers, project managers, and senior software engineers. The salary for mid-level positions at Paysafe is generally higher than entry-level. You can expect to earn between X and Y per year. Factors like your performance, tenure, and team contribution can influence your exact salary. Senior-level positions. At the senior level, Paysafe offers roles like directors, managers, and senior executives. These positions come with significantly higher salaries, typically ranging from X to Y per year. The top earners at Paysafe are likely to be in these senior roles. Bonuses and commissions. In addition to base salaries, Paysafe often offers bonuses and commissions to employees, especially those in sales and revenue-generating roles. These incentives can significantly boost your overall earnings. Perks and benefits. Beyond salary and bonuses, Paysafe also provides a competitive benefits package. This typically includes health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and other perks. These benefits can vary depending on your location and specific role. Factors affecting salary. Location. Geographical location can play a significant role in determining your salary at Paysafe. Salaries in major cities or high cost of living areas are generally higher than those in smaller towns or regions. Experience. Your level of experience and expertise is another key factor. The more experience you have, the higher your salary is likely to be. Performance. Your performance on the job is also taken into account. Outstanding performers may receive higher salary increases or bonuses. Team and department. The team and department you work in can also influence your salary. Some roles or teams may have higher salary ranges than others. Tips for negotiating salary. Research. Before negotiating your salary, do your research and gather information about salary ranges for similar positions in your area. This will give you a better understanding of what you can reasonably expect. Prepare. Be prepared to discuss your qualifications, experience, and achievements. Highlight your value to the company and how your skills align with the role's requirements. Confidence. Approach the negotiation with confidence and a positive attitude. Believe in your worth and be prepared to advocate for yourself. To recap, the salary at Paysafe can vary depending on several factors, including your role, experience, location, and performance. Entry-level positions typically offer salaries between X and Y per year, while mid-level and senior-level roles can command significantly higher salaries. Additionally, bonuses, commissions, and perks can further enhance your overall compensation package. If you're interested in learning more about career opportunities at Paysafe or exploring their salary structure in more detail, I encourage you to visit their website or connect with their HR department. You can also check out online job boards or review platforms for employee feedback and salary information. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences working at Paysafe, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.